My mom won't turn on the AC in over 100-degree heat because she's cheap. I live in the desert, and my mom refuses to turn on the air conditioning. She says it costs too much, but I know she has the money. She just doesn't want to spend it. It's been over 100 degrees every day for the past month, and I can't take it anymore. I tried to talk to her about it, but she just tells me to go outside and get used to the heat. I spend most of my time in my room with a fan on, but it's not enough. I can't sleep at night because it's so hot. I can't concentrate on anything because I'm constantly sweating. I even tried to sneak into her room at night and turn on the air conditioning, but she caught me and yelled at me. I don't know what to do. I can't afford to move out, and I don't have anywhere else to go. I'm seriously considering calling Child Protective Services, but I don't know if they would do anything. I just want to be able to live in a house that's not a sauna. I can't take it anymore. I feel like I'm going to pass out from the heat. I just want to be able to breathe without feeling like I'm suffocating. I just want to be able to sleep without waking up in a pool of sweat. I just want to be able to live in a house that's not a sauna.